All right, welcome to our demo for the Famous Groups AI, our lead generation AI that will pre-qualify all your leads, schedule appointments for you based on your availability, and eliminate the need to follow up and chase these leads. Our AI will do it all for you. So we're going to go ahead and run a couple different scenarios here, okay? And let's just assume the contact came in from one of the ads and maybe said something, sent a text message through one of the campaigns, maybe a DM, and said something like more info. That's pretty common. So now the bot's going to read that and start the process of building a conversation. So let's watch how it replies. Can you please let me know what your approximate credit score is? Let's go 500. Okay, we're not going to just book. We're going to first pre-qualify the lead. Okay, nobody wants to have a calendar full of unqualified prospects. All right, I have collections and repo. Cool. Okay, so now it's going to find out why I want to fix my credit. Yeah, I'm trying to get a home. Okay, now it's qualifying me based on on if I have money available to invest or not. And I can ask, that's high. That's expensive. Let's see how it's going to handle that. No problem. We offer payments as well. Your credit advisors can go over that with you. Would you like to schedule a free consultation call with one of our team members? Not sure yet. Let's see how the bot's going to reply to that. Now we're throwing the curveballs here, right? These are the things that your regular bot can't do. So I understand. Don't hesitate to ask. Our program is designed to provide the best possible results. We have a team of experts who will work tirelessly to help improve your credit score. If you're interested, we can schedule a consultation. Okay, boom, 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 boom. That sounds good. Okay, cool. Good reply. See, that bot just literally understood what all this meant. They're able to read and comprehend and come out with intelligent responses. Time zone is Eastern. I'll just put EST for short. So it's going to look and see what the availability is, and it's going to go ahead and pull here. Oh, okay, cool. Tomorrow at 10. Let's see. Great. Boom. Booked. You see that? Nope. That's it. So we got that appointment booked, and then now the next flow will take over to confirm the appointment. So this is just one simple example of taking a cold lead who came in and basically went through a whole qualification process, got them scheduled based on the specific availability on your calendar. And here's the best part. This happened 100% without you. So we're rolling this out. Right now we're in beta with just a small group of our clients. If you are looking to implement something like this to pack out your calendar and increase your sales, get in contact with us as soon as possible so you can be part of our beta group. This is going to be revolutionary. So for those of you who are ready to blow your business up, you absolutely need to get your hands on this.